Hey friends, so I made it to Gillis Point Lighthouse, which you'll see in behind me here. He's just a little guy. But something to note, it's on private property. Didn't know this. You're looking on Google Maps and it just, there's a lighthouse there and there's a point and, I basically was driving down the road and all of a sudden the GPS is telling me, okay, turn right. And I'm like, this looks like a pretty narrow kind of driveway, not really a road. But anyways, came up the road and just out of curiosity, I didn't see any signs on the way in. So I kept going, but then all of a sudden there's like a barn and there's a couple kids playing around with their dog. And I'm like, oh. So I just kind of, and by that point you can actually see the lighthouse from where you're at. And I asked them, I'm like, is it okay to visit the lighthouse or is it private or whatever? And their mom came out and she invited me to come and take a look. So do know that it is private property and please respect that. I got lucky today because they were here and I got permission. So that said, let's take a look around. So she actually did say too that they are restoring it slowly. Just a quaint little lighthouse here on the point. I actually kind of like it. So my friends, that's my video for today at Gillis Point Lighthouse, which like I said is on private property, so keep that in mind. All right, I'm going to sign off now. Thanks for watching and we'll talk to you all soon. Okay, cheers and bye.